Okay, so hi guys, it is Star Rollins here, and I am doing my YouTube video. This is the gameplay for Ratchet and Clank on the PS4. So, Alex is doing the gameplay. He is my special guest today.
Hi.
That was cheerful. You're cheerful.
Alright.
As you guys can see, the PS4 is aglow. We have downloads for Destiny and Infinite Warfare.
Which is a really gay-ass fucking game, which is Destiny.
They take up a lot of my system. Like my gigabytes and stuff.
That's why I'm completed it for you.
So mine's only at 500. But this is some of the gameplay for Ratchet and Clank. We're gonna try to make this the last vid. I'm not sure yet. Alex is gonna try to finish beating the game for Ratchet and Clank. I don't know if you guys can see it, but my charging cord is down on the floor. My other games, all my movies underneath there. My movies off to the side over there. My internet modem. My smelly thing for the room. It's an air freshener. It smells so good. You're supposed to be doing gameplay, not filtering through all this crap. Oh, Lord. Could hear Charlie have a conversation in the other fucking room.
Infusion grenade, predator launcher.
There's my Ratchet. So much better. Those fucking heads were creepy.
Actually, those heads were awesome.
They were creepy. There we go. Some gameplay now.
Yeah.
I love how I have a spare HDMI cord under my TV.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, it's always good to have extras.
Exactly.
At some point, I'll have an intercooler for my PS4, an intercooler for the controller, and an extra controller running around. That way, we can play some COD. Oh. Black Ops 3 and Ghost.
Freaking dying here. Slowly, but painfully.
No, he's not dying. You can have 70 health. You have 39.
Well, let's see if we can get him moving.
That's friggin' epic. I love that.
Because I'm one who got you the upgrade in the first place.
Yeah, I know. Just saying, though.
Ooh. Sheepinator.
Oh, you can't buy it. It costs 40,000. You only have 13.
Yep.
So you have to start going down more, don't you?
21 crystals. Okay, so I've been in a while, so I'm kind of. Is anything affordable? Thank you. Thank you.
Glove of Doom.
Oh, yeah.
Can you do any upgrades for Clank?
Nope.
Aw, that sucks.
Clank does not have his own upgrades, period.
That's shitty.
It's really shitty. It's stupid as all fuck.
So I spent like an hour the other day talking to one of my friends about vaping, and I kind of had to laugh because he's like, oh, well, you know, I've been smoking for years now, and he's like, I'm 30 years old, and, you know, I've considered the whole vaping thing. And I was like, okay, well, what's stopping you? And he's like, well, I just don't feel that I'll get what I need from it. And like I've always said when I do my vape vids, to just, you know, go into your local vape shop and talk to them.
Exactly.
And he's like, well, I don't know. I go, how much money do you spend on packs of cigarettes? He's like, $40 a week. $40 a week?
Sorry, but no.
Are you kidding me? Then he sat there and he was like, well, you know, I go through so many packs, and especially when I'm stressed out. And I guess, he was also sitting there saying that, ooh, dead.
Got hit by a train.
I see that. He was also sitting there saying that they're going to be raising the prices up for cigarettes.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, and it's going to go from, I think, like, $6 or $7 a pack to, like, $8 or $9 a pack now.
Yes, vaping still costs money, though. A lot of shit ton of money.
Well, when you first start out vaping, it does.
It still does. Either way.
Yeah, but $5 for a 10 milliliter bottle of vape juice isn't that bad.
Yeah, but it the bigger bottles, they cost a little bit more.
Well, yeah, if you want to get the bigger bottles, but it's cheaper at Empire for bottles of juices than it is really anywhere else. Because I looked up on Craft Vapory, and they're like small milliliter bottles, their 10s are like $10 a piece, I think. So I just think it's shitty, you know, to have to pay pay $10 for a 10 mil when you can go to Empire, vape in Waterville, Augusta, or Bangor, and pay only $5 for a 10 milliliter bottle.
Yep.
Anyways, I'm gonna get off that topic.
Yeah.
I talk about vaping like all the time, and I did a rant video about vaping and how whether or not vaping gives you cancer or whatever. So I guess I'll leave it alone for right now. Just do the game, have you do the gameplay and whatever. Alex has a PS3 at home, and he has Ratchet and Clank games, and he's already defeated how many so far, Alex?
I defeated Ratchet and Clank Future Tools of Destruction, and I'm almost done completing Ratchet and Clank Upper Arsenal.
That's awesome.
So now I have Ratchet and Clank, the first one, and Ratchet and Clank Going Commando. Which sounds really bad in a way, because considering...
Sounds like you're talking about running around with no undies.
Exactly.
That'd be a scary thought, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
I think it'd be even scarier to run around without any clothes on.
Yep.
Whew, indecent exposure.
Not good.
No, it really wouldn't be. So, you guys, I am doing the gameplay vid from my phone, because it's the only freaking thing that has a back-facing camera. Ooh, it glared. It glared. That was fun.
I hit the button. The fuck? God damn it. Why?
At least you don't have to start out at the very, very beginning again. That would suck dick. Oh, you did. Oh, wow, you did. That's shitty.
Yep. So I'm pissed off now.
So, you guys, I'm going to say this. I have no filter at all. So, I'm sorry if any of what I say offends you in any way. I'm going to say this. My vids are not for the faint of heart, normally. If you get easily offended...
Son of a bitch!
Alex has no filter when he's gaming either. He speaks whatever comes to his mind. So, yeah. I'm going to recommend that anybody who watches my videos should probably be 18 or older.
Or 45 or younger.
Yeah, he's a little rotten sometimes, but that's okay. No biggie deal. Whoa! Dodging trains. Dodging trains, dodging trains, dodging trains. Huh. One of my best friends told me to just be me and have some fun doing my vids. And honestly, I've started doing that. I've started putting my own little twist on things, having my bubbly personality come out and have me be me. And honestly, I am up to 24 subscribers when I had 25 and 26. I've lost some of you guys, and I'm probably partly to blame on that. But honestly, you guys, if you don't really care for my vids,
then just don't watch them.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm gonna continue to do this, even if you don't like them. I like doing it. It's building my self-confidence.
And it builds character.
Yeah. And you know what? I have fun making these vids, and I have fun talking to you guys, you know? And I've noticed that I've asked you guys to post up things like your vape mods, your e-liquids, you know, give me some comments as of a challenge I could do, a trick I could try, you know, stuff like that, and I'm not getting anywhere, really. Alex has been great. He's been commenting on my vids, helping me out a little bit. I'm trying to promote myself the best that I can, and in the only ways I know how, to promote myself. I have my own Facebook. I have my own Facebook page. I have my own Instagram. I have my own Snapchat. I have my own Twitter. I'm still trying to figure out Twitter just a little bit. But I'm trying to promote myself the best ways that I know how. And I'm sorry, you guys, that I'm not doing well with this. I'm trying. I'm still getting the hang of this. I'm still learning. So, you know, please, you guys, try to support me the best that you can. And try to share my vids, you know, with your friends. Tell them to subscribe. And I will do the best that I can to please you all. Like I said, though, this is building my self-confidence. This is me being me and having some fun and hanging out with my best friends and my boyfriend. And, you know, I'm putting myself out there and having some fun. And hopefully you guys will support me.
Welcome to the Babbling room. The Babbling was designed to help galactic explorers discover local items and points of interest.
Sweet. I could really use that.
I like the blue boots.
Those are
The Magna boots.
Yep.
Is that how you say that? Magna? Ah, look at Ratchet.
Attack Hydra. Thruster pack. Jetpack.
I love how he uses Clank for those. That's pretty epic.
Like that.
Yeah. And that. Although I did have to kind of laugh at myself, Alex.
What is that?
My flavor of the week is Tartarus, not Tauros.
Ah.
I'm such a blonde. That's my blonde moment for the week. But at least thankfully I'm feeling better, so I don't sound like shit on my vids.
Right.
Maybe this weekend I'll do one of my vids and do a flavor of the week. I try to do a flavor of the week every week. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Where are you supposed to go? What are you supposed to do in here? You don't know.
Nope.
That's fun.
All time we do is something about sheep and I need a sheepinator. Okay, but fortunately I don't really have the money for it. It's 40,000.
Yeah, and you're only at 16.
Yep.
Ugh, you got a long ways to go on that one.
Take a taxi back like that. It's basically a taxi.
Taxi! Huh? I agree with Ratchet. He was like, huh? Mm-hmm. Just doing a little bit of both. Why? Why? Recording the gameplay and chatting?
Volunteer detected in fusion grenade test lab. Initiating death trial.
Fuck you. Oh, yay, death trial. Screw this. Oh my god, really? Fusion grenade, of course.
I was gonna say, shouldn't you pick a different weapon, but you were already way ahead of me. Huh. That had to hurt. Ow. Ow, they have flamethrowers.
Yeah. Ow.
Ow. Poor Ratchet. He's getting beat up by flamethrowers. Make him dance.
Right.
Make him dance. Boogie down. That's the only thing I can think of. Ooh, pixelator. I think that's pretty epic. You're at 18.
These guys are robot. I know. Thank you for the money. Oh, well, bolts actually.
He's not a bog, he's a Lombax. Did you get it? It was a joke.
Yeah. Let's wait. One longer. Glove of Doom.
I was gonna say, where's your little dude? He should protect you, right? Oh no, it's the Glove of Doom. Oh, you only got like 2 left.
It's fine. Level 2.
Sweet. Oh, now you get 12. That's what's up. Epic view. Oh, interesting. Targeting software.
Alright.
That's what I'd call it.
Yeah.
Gave you a close-up view, didn't
These
it?
robots are really weird.
They look like Piranha almost, but robot version.
They kind of look like Piranha drones.
I'm a piranha.
Right? I'm from the Amazon.
Fishy, why are you dead? I'm sorry, you guys. I'm a goofball.
Die. Die. Thank you for dying.
Alright, you guys. Well, this is a 19-minute video, and I should probably wrap this one up here. I'll upload some more gameplay for Ratchet and Clank a little bit later tonight. Alex is going to try to finish the game. Oh, good. He died, so that works. Say goodbye. Alex says goodbye. Alright, you guys. I hope you enjoyed that vid, and, you know, feel free to like, comment down below any other games you think we should play, any vaping tricks I should try, e-liquids, you know, anything. So feel free to let me know down in the comments below. I will post up my Insta, my Facebook, my Snapchat, and my Twitter. So you guys, have a great night, stay calm, and vape on. I love y'all. Bye.